Hi, I'm Brenda Curtright. Thank you to those of you who are new and coming to this channel. Welcome. And for those of you who are returning, thank you for returning and being a part of this community for people with mild cognitive impairment. And I am thankful for your being here. Today I'm talking about executive functioning, specifically goal, plan, do, review, revise, which is a process that I've slightly modified based on a grant out of the Annie E. Casey Foundation that was originally geared toward children in terms of improving executive functioning skills that they studied using neuropsychologists, behavior analysts, and speech language pathologists to modify it for adults. So it's a process where you set goals and you review them and then you revise them if you need them to be revised. What I'm going to do is just show you this form, and I will link it in my bio, and you can just go ahead and print it if you feel it looks like something that you can use. So let me show it to you. So first of all, it's got the goal section. You write in a simple goal that you'd like to work on. What do I want to achieve? Obstacles. What might stand in the way of me achieving my goal? And you would just fill in any obstacles. Plan. You would brainstorm 3 options to achieve that original goal. You would select one of them, and then you would decide on the materials and the equipment that you need to achieve that plan. Then in the do section, you would write down the steps to achieving the plan. Next, in the review section, you would rate yourself after a week of doing your goal, or doing the plan rather, and you would rate yourself with, on the scale of 1 being a poor job, 5 being where you've achieved maybe a portion of your goal, and 10 being where you have achieved the goal with flying colors. Then you would write down underneath that where it says what worked and what didn't work, what you feel actually didn't work and what worked in your plan after working through it for a week. And then you would revise it after reflecting on that, and then revise the goal perhaps. Maybe keep the same goal and maybe change your obstacles, and maybe change your plan slightly. And then you would start again with materials you need. You would write down what to do to achieve the plan and do it again for a week, and then review yourself, and then identify what worked and what didn't work again. And so this process would allow you to make sound decisions in achieving your goal. So that is all I have. If you find any value in this process, please print this off and use this and see how it works, and then give some feedback about how you think it worked for you. It is evidence-based. It has been proven to be effective, and I've used it with patients and I've gotten good feedback. So please give me your own feedback. I'd love to hear from it, and it helps other people in the community. So I would look forward to seeing that. Also, please subscribe to my channel to help us grow this community. You are valued here, and I'm hoping that the things that I'm sharing are things that will be helpful and fruitful for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to future sessions. Have a great day. Bye-bye.